Hi all. In Touch Guru Markets. Let's start with some summary information about the company. Let's look at each indicator in more detail below. If necessary, you can put it on stop. You can study all the indicators of the organization being studied in detail. Now we will analyze the current performance indicators of the organization. LEXINFINTECH Holdings, ticker LX. This review is based on current data as of June 23, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company LEXINFINTECH Holdings belongs to the subcategory Consumer Lending. 24 companies are participating in the assessment. We will consider the final decisions at the end of the video. The result for the company in question is 6.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is 0.6 points. If you look broadly, within the market as a whole, we see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a 6.5 rating for the company LEXINFINTECH Holdings Ltd ADR. Comparing the dynamics of the company's share price LEXINFINTECH Holdings and subcategory shares. We see that over 12 months, the shares LEXINFINTECH Holdings showed a dynamics of 311.2%. Against the price dynamics in the subcategory of 140%. Market capitalization of the company LEXINFINTECH Holdings Ltd ADR amounts to $0.92 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $58 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $1.54 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $33 billion. Comparing the stock market and book value shares, we see the following. Occupied share LEXINFINTECH Holdings in the subcategory in case of market capitalization assessment is 1.584%. The book value is 4.596%. Assessment of the company's market share and book value of the subcategory, good, 1 point. The company under study has debts of $0.736 billion. Debt to book value ratio is 48% of equity. Result for the level of the company's financial obligations, good, 1 point. The balance of the company's stock price to its profit is 5. Average for the subcategory is 10.8. Evaluation of the company's stock market value to profit ratio in comparison with companies in the subcategory, very good, 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was $184 million. Profits for the next 12 months are projected to be $299 million. Assessment of expected future profit indicators in comparison with companies in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 0.5. Average in subcategory 1.2. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, good, 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $1,950 million. Projected revenue for the next 12 months is expected to be $2.7 billion. Assessment of projected future revenue indicators in comparison with indicators in the subcategory, good, 0.5 points. The sales margin is 9.4%, with an average for the subcategory of 11.2%. Sales margin assessment in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 7.629%, which is 382% more than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the company is equal to $196,000, while for the subcategory it is $946,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's profit per employee is $39.4 thousand, with an average in the subcategory, $87.8 thousand. Evaluation of the company's profit per employee in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The volume of sales per individual employee of the organization is $418,000. In the subcategory, $786,000. Evaluation of revenue per individual employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Passable, 0 points. The volume of short transactions is 2.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 8.5%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a level of 38% for the company LEXINFINTECH Holdings. For the subcategory, this level is approximately 60%. The company's current share price is approximately $6.92. The consensus price estimate for the company's shares is around $11.52. Let's look at the order table. It is available to you. The link to it is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all publicly accepted decisions in a given season by the information and reference System.GURU.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the valuation of the company's securities LEXINFINTECH Holdings Information System for Stock Evaluation Guru.Markets, the following decision is made. Open a buy order at $6.91. The deal is open because the company has a relatively high rating. The organization's assessment was carried out based on the assessment model, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 10.29. Stop loss is set at 3.53. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss. In this case, the order is fixed automatically based on the results of the session on July 23, 2025, or on the last trading day before the specified date. Ticker, UPST, is a balancing order to sell. The video on the balancing deal will be or has already been published on this channel. In case of closing of any of the orders, the main or balancing, another order is fixed at the actual price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the information and reference System.GURU.Markets.